Here is an iron bar, and do you see I've wrapped a coil of wire around it in a very crude and simple way, and one end of the wire is connected to the battery here, and Mr. Anderson is going to connect the other end down there. But before he does that, let's look at these nails. Now watch. Watch. Well, it is a little magnetized, isn't it? Because we have already been playing around with it. And we would say in physics that this has some magnetic history, and therefore it's not a very good thing to work with, because you see it fouls up our operation. But let's see how strong it is. I'm going to put that nail next to that nail, and let me see if I can pick up. Well, not quite. Now, Mr. Anderson, if you will close the circuit. Aha! Do you see it's a stronger one, isn't it?
Yes.
Isn't it? Yes, it's a... Oh! Disconnect. Feel the wire. Feel the wire. What do you feel?
It's hot.
It's hot, of course. So we have learned here that an electric current has a certain effect on the conductor that carries it, and that's what? Heating effect, right? Yes. But have we not made a magnet out of that?
Yes.
And incidentally, would this not be properly called an electromagnet?
Yes.
So that when we disconnect the current in the circuit, the magnetism falls off somewhat. But I want to show you that the bar, if it is of the right kind of stuff, still possesses some residual magnetic property. Watch it now. Watch. Do you see it does?
Yes.
Do you see it does? I think that's wonderful. Look at that. This is fantastic.
How long will that magnetic last for?
Ah, that's a very good question. It depends upon the treatment that the iron rod gets. If you abuse it, that is, smash it around. Do you remember before I showed you how to make it?
Yes.
Well, indeed, if I held it at right angles to the Earth's magnetic field and hit it, it would very likely lose its magnetism. Yes. So isn't this a wonderful thing to discover? How to make a magnet. Now, let's go back here to our home base. Oh, thank you. Notice, do you not discover that it's easy to step on that line and strangle me? Here I have a question. Here is an iron bar, an iron rod, and do you see I have cut some notches in it,
yes,
so it is easily broken into pieces.
Yes.
Now supposing I make this a magnet. Excuse me. Supposing I make it a magnet. Here is a horseshoe magnet.
Yes.
I could make this a magnet with the magnetite, but I can make a better one out of it like this. Watch me. Okay, so let me show you on the board.